Have you ever noticed how stepping back can sometimes create the strongest impact? Imagine this. You walk away, and suddenly she can't stop thinking about you. It's not a coincidence, it's psychology. By the end of this video, you'll understand why walking away isn't just an act of distance, but a powerful move that shifts the dynamic in your favor. Let's explore why your absence speaks louder than words and how it can transform the way others perceive you. The hidden power of walking away. Walking away isn't about giving up, it's about standing tall. It sends a silent yet impactful message. You value yourself enough not to beg for attention or validation. This kind of inner strength is rare in a world where many cling desperately to relationships or situations that don't serve them. When you walk away with confidence, you demonstrate self-respect. Women notice this because it's a refreshing break from the norm. It's not about manipulation or playing games. It's about maintaining your dignity. The moment you step back, the energy shifts. Suddenly, she's left to reflect. Why is he so willing to let go? Does he know his worth in a way I didn't see before? This moment of pause, where she reevaluates her perception of you, is powerful. But here's the catch. Walking away only works if it's genuine. It's not about forcing a reaction. It's about knowing your value and acting accordingly. That's what sets confident individuals apart from the rest. Why absence sparks curiosity and attraction? They say absence makes the heart grow fonder, and there's a solid psychological reason behind this. When you step back, you create a void that demands attention. Humans are naturally drawn to mysteries, and your absence becomes the question she can't stop pondering. Think about it. When something is always within reach, its value diminishes. But when it's scarce, its allure grows. By walking away, you make your presence a privilege rather than an expectation. This isn't about disappearing entirely. It's about creating intentional space that leaves her curious. Why isn't he texting me anymore? What's changed about him? These questions don't just come and go, they linger. Her mind starts filling in the gaps. And ironically, her imagination often paints you in a more compelling light than reality ever could. Walking away isn't rejection. It's a strategy to make your presence more impactful when you return. The psychological chase. Why people value what they can't have. Here's a fundamental truth about human nature. We tend to value what feels just out of reach. This isn't about manipulation, it's about creating intrigue. Walking away shifts you from being predictable to being a puzzle. When you step back, she's no longer certain where she stands. This uncertainty compels her to chase clarity. Questions like, did I make a mistake? Or is he moving on without me? Flood her mind, creating emotional investment. This chase isn't about turning relationships into a game. Instead, it's about standing firm as someone with standards, someone who doesn't hand over their energy lightly. This dynamic shift sparks attraction as she begins to see you as someone worth pursuing. How walking away makes you unforgettable. Think about the people you've missed the most in life. Chances are, it's not the ones who were always there, but the ones who left an impression before stepping back. Walking away with confidence creates an emotional impact that lingers. When you're no longer readily available, every shared moment and word becomes magnified in her mind. She starts replaying conversations, wondering what you're up to, and reflecting on what she might have lost. This is how walking away turns into a powerful tool. Not because it's manipulative, but because it forces appreciation. You become unforgettable not through games, but through authenticity. And here's the twist. By creating space, you don't just make her miss you, you make her realize how irreplaceable you are. Turning detachment into a life-changing habit. Walking away is just the beginning. To truly harness its power, you need to cultivate detachment as a habit. This isn't about being cold or distant. It's about freeing yourself from the constant need for validation. When you're detached, you focus on what truly matters: your growth, your goals, and your peace of mind. This mindset isn't just attractive, it's magnetic. Confidence and stability are irresistible qualities, and detachment forms their foundation. Detachment protects your energy. Instead of reacting to every emotional trigger, you stay grounded. This not only enhances your relationships, but also transforms how you approach life. By prioritizing yourself, you naturally command respect and admiration. The science behind emotional withdrawal. Why does walking away work so well? It's rooted in human psychology, specifically in how our brains handle perceived loss. When someone significant steps back, our minds replay interactions, analyze their words, and question our actions. This withdrawal effect creates a craving, much like missing the chorus of a favorite song when it suddenly stops. Her brain, accustomed to the dopamine spikes associated with your presence, now experiences a void. This void makes her want to reconnect, to fill the gap you left behind. The key here is authenticity. Emotional withdrawal only works when it's genuine, not calculated. When you step back for the right reasons, you allow her emotions to catch up, deepening her connection to you. Reclaiming your power through self-focus. Walking away isn't just about her, it's about you. By stepping back, you reclaim the energy you've been giving away and redirect it toward your personal growth. Imagine pouring your time into hitting the gym, mastering a skill, or advancing your career. These actions not only enhance your life, but also make you more attractive. Women are naturally drawn to men who have purpose and drive. This self-focus isn't just external, it's internal too. Use this time to reflect on what you want from life and ensure your relationships align with those goals. Walking away gives you the clarity to set higher standards for yourself and your connections. The long-term benefits of detachment. Detachment isn't just a short-term tactic, it's a life-changing mindset. It frees you from the fear of loss, empowering you to make choices based on your values. In relationships, detachment helps you stay balanced, even during tough times. It also inspires respect and admiration because it shows you're not controlled by emotions or insecurities. This kind of emotional independence is magnetic. Beyond relationships, detachment allows you to focus on what truly matters. You stop chasing validation and start building a fulfilling life. This shift doesn't just attract the right people, it transforms how you view yourself. Walking away isn't an end, it's a new beginning. It's about reclaiming your power, prioritizing your self-respect, and creating dynamics that naturally command respect. Remember, it's not about manipulation or games, it's about knowing your worth and living with confidence. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to The Stoic Route for more insights on building the best version of yourself. Drop a comment below to share your thoughts or experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.